We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x12 dump trailer with 4-foot sides. This does come with the jack, adjustable coupler, and safety chains. Here we have the hydraulic control box. This does have a spare tire mount. There are stake pockets along the side. It does have loading ramps that do attach to the side for transport. It is a tandem axle trailer. It comes with two 7,000-pound axles with 16-inch wheels and tires. This comes wired with LED drive lights.